No way there, but you know. Wet him off, you know. Oh Lord. Welcome to the channel, my people. See what I go on? What I go on? Me there, man, me there. Only for unit there, guys. I carry me, I go right now, you know. I'm buck up in my merging them, chucky them. I got one little quarry, see there? Hot tool pan the app, you know? Yeah, man, so we out there. Them I got a different place, me I got a different place. It's a good look. So working I go on, you know? Yeah, man, big scene. The truck, man, for millions.
See my own time, it's done. Alright, I tell that thing. So I go see them.
See them tire good for you.
Man can see them when take off on the truck. I'm run that till they say, yo, I take you off and up. You still have you out there, I can show you.
River mates, I know. See while Apache one there, rich. I play with the Punisher there, you know. See driver there. While Apache one. I run a Fraser, me I go, you know. And see if he can load you out.
The brake plug wire, you know.
No man, I done, man. I done.
The man has second this brake, the man have, you know.
Definitely. Me think me the great.
Great, man.
I think me the great.
You're going to sit for 3 ton. See if this is done. Still have one. Make sure you go down there. The park, on the park. Make sure the park is not position. I'm shooting all of them, man. I'll come back and see it. Come back and see it all.
Yo, we are going to link, man, because I know you hot like drops, you know. Yeah, man. Look how we punish and make we hear it. Outside. China truck, yeah. So my time I know for take out. Done?
Yeah.
This is my time I know for take on the road, you know. Start it from one show now. Take my time to touch the rev. Who say me hot? Kinda cold. Some little bag, you know. You normally have a Sunday you go one place and you get 2 fruits. You have to have your bag, you know. Blessing to each and everybody, man. Welcome to the channel, man. We definitely have to start up like this. Good energy, good vibes, link up some truck, man, you know. Ni más, ¿no? out the road with there. So one of them not see my face. But that's how you go. Out. Guys, I'm gonna pick up on yourself, you know, I appreciate each and every one of you, you know. Because of you guys, my channel actually take it little time I grow slowly but surely. Thanks again to each of you. Enough love. And we're there, I head to an quarry. And there's a possibility we might go pick up some jelly later on in the day. So nevertheless, like the video, share the video and subscribe. Oh guys, you know some reach at the quarry. You know some reach at the quarry and the quarry closed. But I go down at the riverside, maybe buy one lunch. So I'm gonna go eat and see and find out if the workers in there and if the quarry, if the planter, if the boss are come for open the quarry. So that's where I'm going. I'm catch me on the journey. So I'm going to look at the place dead out. Yeah man. Tractor man in and tractor there. One bang up on the app, you know. Yeah man, so right now I'm just going to go see if I can find a little spot. Sit down and eat. And reason down a little, you know. So see there? This is me. I go down the riverside. I'm at the quarry. I'm going to show you around. The journey, I go down at the river. I hear all salmon over across the hill there. I hope I find a nice, cool, cozy spot. I love this, the little riverside's relaxation, you know. I nearly could have swim. I nearly could have swim, man. I mean, I nearly could have swim. Go down there. So on a journey with me. One of them find here. Me and the team need to come do a cooking something about Pang River. And them boy. Yeah man. Yeah, man. Outside, you know? Yeah man, through the bush. I must find a little cozy spot can sit down and eat something. But a pear sun, guys. Pear sun, you know. Pear sun down here. Where you go alive, see that? Nice breeze that blow. I can't sit down in the sun and eat. I must can find a little bush side. Relax and eat around us and listen to Jaja. The good thing is I left the key in the truck. I'll find a little spot here now and go and eat some food. Hear the bird them sing, you know. Alright, first thing I must do, very first thing I must do, introduce you guys to what I'm gonna eat. Seeing? Alright. I don't want you guys to say it's teasing, please, because I know what we're doing in the comment. So don't say me a teasing, alright? Alright. Tam tanam tanam. So this is vegetable to the side and chicken. You see what I say? So I'm not gonna make it stay too long on the screen because I know will cost me out. And I actually have orange juice, right? But Before me even start eat, I must give God thanks for providing this meal for me. And I hope for all those who is hungry right now get something to eat urgently. I pray for not just me but for others. I pray everyone who are trying to move towards greatness be successful. I declare it this year. Amen. Guys, bless upon yourself. Life with Kemar, appreciate each and every single one of you guys. I really do. Trust me. Thumbs up. So just go on there, relax with me. Listen to nature. While me there eat, I'm gonna try to find a little spot for the camera where I can put it and I can go and enjoy a little light. While I share some of my food with them as well. Even though I promise I'm not going to whole heap, I give them a little. Alright, so time to get some food eat now. I feel so relaxed. This is really life. This is life. Oh, I normally take out my chicken leg and my feeding, but I'm not giving no leg this time. I'm giving one thigh. Who want a chicken thigh? Who want a thigh? Just comment and say thigh. Any day name day. One up one. Push on onto the screen and grab the food. That is a day I run left on my camera. This is the sound of the water. Isn't this great? Let me finish. Hope the truckman reach. Boy, the truckman them. The quarry operator. Our owner reach. The right shelly and nice. Please, man. Meditation. Fish them can get that. Fish them a circle. Trust me, I hold up a breeze up. I'm turning the camera and show you. Look how the breeze are going. Not disturb you still. I'm gonna go and look for you and see the water behind me. That's all now. Look guys. Look the water going, you see? You see me I feed the fish them. How much of them run in for it. You see? See that? Feeding at take place. You soon see two Janga too as well. I think I saw one earlier. Caring is sharing. Or sharing is caring. Whichever one you want to use. Put it. This is so nice. Yeah, watch them have to get feed. I have to stop my own meal just to watch it. And more are coming up. More are coming. This is so relaxing to watch them. Nice, don't it? You love see them I feed us one. And not only me alone I enjoy the food. They're miserable, man. Then gone out a deep with him. Then gone with the guys. Let me see if I can give them one extra piece. All of them meat gone, you see? God provide more again. So then give them some more again. Put a smile on my face. Yeah, chicken out, guys. Food done now. The chicken out there, guys. I'm not sure if you can see him. Him are the one who used to take with the pole them when we much small. Look him. I'm going around this. See a little scatter shower come along. So I just hurry up and eat up my food and go back up at the quarry. Guys, remember, just like the video and share the video if you enjoy the energy. Blessings. We'll see them come back again, come look more food. I soon get some more rice, man. As soon as I finish eating my feed up again. So me give them bone there, guys. Look them. Them a feed. Anyway, one little rain a come, guys, and see there? Plate empty plate. So rain a come, I'm going to run go up before I get wet. See? So I'm not catching the run and go up. Rain a come, guys. So I go run. Remember, I not drink my juice yet. Ta-da! Reach, once them reach. 2 run we can reach already. Right, so I never farm there, down the river, so reach. Bossy reach! There, boy? There's just ask me if Bossy reach. The Bossy not reach. I'll give him a call the boss down here all going. Right, so all going. This is why your box gets so soft. Remember them days? Orange juice. Bless up on yourself, guys, my man. What I would do. Hard work in Jamaican youth, you know? Trying to do the right thing and keep focus. When I no badness, I just keep it positive as usual. Just hope God continue to bless you still. And keep on going. There, the struggles I look some sun. Quarry from here, they may look a sun for the client, yeah, I can't get it, so yeah, pull up and so I can. So our next truck pull up there. I wait for the boss, so they're on good for me now first in line. And it's not a big load either, guys. Guess what? I told to the rescue. See there, guys? I pump up the tractor. That go up! I pump up, I turn on the tractor a little more. I pump up a little faster. Yeah man, so we pump up the tractor some wheel and soft and load now. One hand help the other, you know. I told I did again. I take up some sun, you know. I see I load up and now pick up some sun in there. It's not a full load, guys. Definitely not a full load. Put in a neck. Put in a neck. Nine neck. Whoop on the coil. A full load. Alright, so I leave out at the quarry now. Leave out at the quarry now, guys. Oh, alright, so all of those who want to learn how to drive a truck, one of the day, I promise you, I'll give you one little video. As no, I can't give one. Because I have all our next work to go do. I'm supposed to pick up something jelly, so I go do the right thing. I take my little time and move the truck. I can't really teach you now, but for those who are really intrigued to know what I know, I stop. Alright, I come in the truck now. You hold the clutch and hold on your brakes. You engage your gear and then you take a little time and engage the clutch. When you engage the clutch now, you hear the engine a struggle and you leg off of the brakes and barely touch the gas and you roll off. But over time practice make you become perfect. Alright, see? So follow me. That's a one gear mean I know. Alright, two. Hold the clutch, engage your gear, release the clutch and drive. But the road bad, so I not go more than second. So I take my little time and go through. And remember, you know, driving not really hard. And yes, if you love it, you're alright. If you love it, you're alright. Because you always want to know more and things. Some jelly. Cold, yeah. Cocoa. I'm covered this one now, see him. Anyway, I watch my work, see? Beautiful Portland, as usual. Fast enough, second and third, you see that? Take a little time and rock him through. Outside. Wet him off, you know. Outside with it. Welcome to Portland. I saw the Portland. Sometimes I drive the truck without clutch to, you know, guys. Gear down and all of that, but it's not good for these type of gearbox. A 5. Put him down. 4. I'm across my foot now. cross here again. Yeah man, no people don't have that guys. Cross the foot and stop. Yeah man. Get on bad road guys. I'm gonna do a delivery up in the mountains. By your fault. I'm gonna take the time to see that one gear me you know. Yeah man, look man. Bad. Definitely like a remote area, don't it? Road bad and steep and swivel at the same time, but with the experience, trying my best to go all the way up. Alright, take me a little time here so I look on the road guys. Open and seat because it's true. Me there so. Alright, hold a little rev. Little time, one. Alright. See that? Rocking and go on, guys. Go on, see a lead. Up there with there. Big up to my subscriber, them who support my channel throughout. I'm a customer them, a day one customer them. At this road normal I carry at least 12 yards up. But now I can't do more than half that. Give thanks to God, we still can actually do delivery still, right? If I can't come none at all, then the people are done stuck. Yeah man, I walk up now and chuck up here. See the guys in front. I come out of the road. Yo. We're gonna drop that sun and now. So then put the blocks, sir. Guys, son, no fire go drop in the road. So I want to make the man do that. Well, I'm going to tell you the struggle is real, guys. I tell you. I'm going to show you what I go on out there. Some people see what I go on there. Truck man come and block up the road with the block them. So all the man them talk to him. See man them up there so there. All them talk to him. Then you know I'm stuck in the sand. If we stuck in the sand, guys, see the truck I go turn down the hill. Yeah man. Alright, so I go tip off here now and try to turn down the road. Guys, I release it back. Yo. Yeah, man. Good place, no? I try, because if I try to have in more, I couldn't do this, you know. But I clouds, you know, my friend. Like how I go on up here still, you know. You animal alone? Yeah, man, I like that, man. First thing I go show you, look how close me to the banking. They're close to the banking. So, I go set the camera, where you can literally see But me have to go and look on the side there, so now. So I go on right to the corner with it. So I go set the camera and make you see what really I go on. Alright, let's see if I can go on the other side. Give you a better view of when me unload. Because truck work and a joke thing. If you're not technical, don't trouble truck work. You have to be technical. If you do them kind of work, your name truck. You see truck will analyze you. Yeah, man. Alright. Yeah, man, you do for me. Watch your wire here. Back. You that? So guys, you see the struggle, you see how close. Tight spot I find myself in, you know. But as a driver, you have to find a way out. Yeah, man. So greetings again to each and everybody. Yeah, man. Thanks for watching, and we just continue to support the channel. We're there. I do the right thing. Enough love. We're there, man. Right now, I have our next work I'm going to do. So we just stay tuned. So let's have the sun and head down the road and also, guys. Body of fog. And the reason why I don't have my seatbelt, guys, is because it's a little off-road. So right now I almost reach on the main, so I put on my seatbelt. Then man, I'll stick around. Off we go to pick up some jelly. Bless it to everybody. Do. So I'm gonna load up the jelly them, and tomorrow I carry them in early. Yeah, man. tree there, guys. You see how big? Apple. And then we can pick that one up. That's something short, man. Apple in a tree, brother. Oh. Oh, right. I never remember about this, you know. I never remember about this. So I go on, guys. My passport. And you know, so the farmer man and give him back the money. Should have been near someone who just buy some beer and drink, but we're the far, so hopefully if they travel, we'll just drink 2 beer. Yeah, man, so my passport there, so jelly time. But guess what? I now left the apple out, I see close by. So apple here. Almost a sticker. I will see if my skill now, guys, because I play the far now. Blow. Scratch up a lot of insect trouble. So I don't want this to eat. This will make you get disease. Yeah, it may be rat, I don't know. This one next time I go try. Same thing. Like animal in a tree. Ready now? Well, at least it's a good try, guys. Good try. I love the jelly them now. Cocoa. Right, so we're on the farm. Are we down in there?
Yeah,
we don't have back?
Yeah, correct.
We don't left. So guys, there are now jelly the on roadside there. Farm with it, you know. When you done, them I load up. So we in a bush. All the breeze I blow. So I go load it. I go load up jelly, and tomorrow definitely I got a ton with them. Work. I have to put in the work if you want a result, you know. No lazy man around here. Working class, man. Yeah, man. Nothing too easy. Anything too easy come with a cost. Big up to everybody, man. Appreciate you, man. Man, them load the truck here. Out the road, Rasta load. And the climb load. Beautiful place, man. Portland. Sweet Jamaica capital. Who remember this? You remember them cassava here? Who watch my channel and remember them cassava here? The cassava them are go big, guys. Them pretty. Yeah, man. See cassava field. Eh? Yes, man. So cassava. Just want to refresh your memory about the cassava them. Alright, look again, guys. I think me educating already about this. Look here now. Alright. This person here cut the banana. This banana can't bear no more fruit, you know, look. See, then cut it and then leave it standing. So, leaving it standing is like you hold down them, the smaller siblings, them are youngster them. So, instead of that I suck from the root and I weak and I short the next one minerals. Cut it down so all of that can go right into the next smaller plant them. See that one they shoot there to the side. Let me see if I can go and show you. See there, he shoot. Just a come up. Yeah man. You can show you from the angle. See there? This definitely should come out. You should have cut. I should be not machine nearby. I just cut it. Yeah man, I didn't think that common sense because the plant there no have no more use in the root. So I just waste. That if you just cut out. And it goes some people too really in their life where I waste your time and non-ambitious and then way there. So them forget delete too if they not learn. You know what I mean? Yeah man. Listen to each and everybody. Have a positive and productive day. I'm there with the guys in my work. See them? See them load up the truck there. I'm going to chop a jelly right now. You know the sweet jelly there, you know. That one now and sweet one.
Yeah, next to dry.
Yeah. I'm sorry, say you never. You know, so from the last time you shot, now man shit, I never, you know, shot back. Man, they shot me again. Eh? No. I would, no, you know, it's a Chris shot me from where there. No, where there, but you know. I think Bobo never did when that I load, you know. Yeah, there, more. Chris shot me from me. Oh, that's nice, and ash. No jelly. Fling up some of them myself though. Give me a sink on. Hold on. I go set. How much you left out there? Put, let me know and then roll back. Move them the bunch, put it to his side. Just make one look. Head just throw it all. Same place up on my throw, man. The bunch. Move that bunch, yeah. Yeah. I'm going to throw them singles out there. You know. Yeah, man. Just make one look back out there. But then I roll back. I hold more so. sometimes we load that truck fast, you know, you're not under vibes, you know.
Yeah, vibe.
Yeah, quick. I remember one time we load the truck and by the time you walk from around that shit to reach back around and so. You see, you say, wait. The truck load already. remember us?
Yeah, he's a vibe. If you have a mind, I load faster.
Damn cool too.
Yeah.
Put on bunches, so. Hold on. Back up with them bunches. Sorry. No, it's a bit I go this evening, that morning. That's why I know, say. Me not be sitting in either. Me no go down here, me not take up the chop all in, so I want the pack as low as possible. Yeah. That's why I want to make sure, say. Well loose there, down there, so you hold more. I give me 2 bunch. Heat. Yeah, man. Scotch him up and get free. Make I eat. So you have to look when you're there refine because so boss up your head, you know.
Yeah, so I jelly touch from it today. Man.
Sitting there, that ground, you know. And see here, not biting.
See my car going there.
Corey, run.
I am say stand and run now.
No really, you know. Yeah. I found out the plant down now. Should me go early, I get some sun too.
Pepe, look, I can get some look well.
You look like a much intake.
I think I take it.
No, enough nobody did not have it fully. I mean, you're on there first.
I grab and go up and look well. You're gone. Blue.
Slip like a ball. Man, the people take his toe all time. You know what I'm saying? When you river come down.
What if I stand go down in there?
Man turn on the 2 part the man in there going to pass out.
You're gone.
You belly ball out there.
Joe, you too. Hot. So my camera switch on. Tomorrow they may go to town. Want a bunch of jelly? I'll take that bunch. Never want to stain up that short side now. Time I saw this boy pick the clothes. out to do the right thing. What going? Funeral? What funeral at? I know him. Most. Oh? Yeah, I know Carlo. Oh.
The bigger one, their father. I start Rastaman here,
Give me. Show me where I'm going with. Holy pot jelly. Bless up guys, bless up. Actually don't load the truck here now. I'm going to show you in my back as soon as I stop. I drive out of the field now. Yeah man. I have my passport. Which you don't know already. The receipt, so I won't go to you know what. Agriculture produce and it have the paperwork, you know. So bless up too, no? Step on the little road, lonely bad farm road, so take your time. Right now I'm there. I carry the load, I go park up tomorrow morning early. I go carry it to Kingston. So guys, if you just continue to watch the video, please subscribe and share up, enjoy and join with the family. Sooner or later, you guys gonna have some nice adventure. So just stick around. For now, I have mostly trucking, you know, fishing still active, but the sea really rough. Cooking adventure coming same way which you know used to. So I promise you know, you soon get a cooking video. Yeah man. Bless up and just go and continue to support the channel. Really love and appreciate all I know. Blessing, peace out, we out. Welcome to the channel, peeps. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet. Anyway, yesterday when I realized that I loaded jelly, so today is the delivery day to the company in Kingston, traveling all the way from Portland through the mountains and valley through Junction straight to Kingston. So ride along with me. Hope you all are doing absolutely well. Stick around and go and enjoy the road trip with me. Watch out, mine I broke the windscreen, sunny. I chuck them a jar material. aggregate. Trucking. Not an easy road, but somebody have to do it. So them a draw the raw material go. The walk, we call it walk. Spit out gas oil though. See a block. I mean you have maybe 45 to 50 ton. Might look like not much on the truck, but the whole heap be heavy. Fire blazing. Wet him off your suit. Truck a miss, you know. Sound like that miss to me. Look on the smoke, how it a puff, guys. It look missish. Yeah, man. To be honest, I don't want to pass that truck here. My low pin gear them. One travel behind and go down the suckers. Sometimes the speed trap them down on the hill. Just want to be on the safe side, you know what I mean? And he look like he don't have no jake, so he might put in a little lower gear and use the brake. As you can see, you see him brake like on. Overtake him along. Poppy place. Don't run in the road, pups. Welcome to St. Mary. St. Mary. Yeah. Breadfruit, the big door. state there, so you see bridge are close up. See that? And guys, please remember I'm on my left side. It's just how the camera situated. Why it look like I'm driving in the middle of the road, okay? So please don't panic, I'm dead left. Please don't panic. I know some of you guys on your toe, but bless up. So we're in St. Mary. If some of you guys miss Dover, and here's some Epsom. We're at Epsom now. Epsom. Some people don't say Dry River. Over that bridge here now, we're there. The Enfield. Texas, big up New York, big up Canada, big up America, big up the whole massive, then big up UK, my UK massive, big up my Barbados massive. Boy, the amount of place me for big up. Big up man, big up everybody man, big up the whole life with Kemar family. Yes man. So in another way now, up here so we call up here so IB. Call up here so IB, and to the left far. To the left you have Anata Bay High School. Guys, I'm gonna slow down. You see that shop over there, so guys, when I stop already and buy Irish mash, one car run right through and drop out through the next side. Straight through it. Luckily, nobody get hurt. I couldn't believe one night me I pass and see it. But this hospital me that come from with someone, so I couldn't get to stop and even show no. through Natavia town, you know. Natavia town. Why you put on your indicator and you not stop, brother? Be a town, you know. About you. Hello? Hello? Where you going? Hold on. Drive when me stop my call back, yeah? No. Tone settings. Tone. Yo, body know the hard tool truck, you know. How I want to so? This is me in Broadgate Port. No, not Broadgate Port. Broadgate St. Mary. The camera has gone over. Big up everybody, each and everybody out here do the right thing. I'll give you an outside view because you don't know me already, don't it? You don't know me already, man. I'm going to show you outside. Bell are ring there, guys. Through the hills and the valley. Here we go. Guys, you know, big up on yourself, you know. And big up everybody who watch my channel who come from around a Broadgate and around in them area here. Hopefully you guys get to see somewhere on the screen who wanna know. Or see somebody on the road who wanna know. Strong enough, 4th speed that, you know, guys. Over 2,000 jelly, you know. The weight on my side of the obstruction, but slow down as you see the bigger unit that come. She said, Atola, come! What is it choking? Mamoso. Chucky, I go on bad man. Take your time. You choke along. Take your time in the road, in the junction road. Comment to no place, so no comment to no place. Who know here, so who that foreign and us in the community long time? Comment. Wait him off. Wait him again. Yeah, man. So we do the gearbox, man. Don't have to hear him flying on feel good. not drive fast. I'm not driving fast. So please, don't worry. Go back, please. And think what. Bad drive. I'll be up on my side and then I'll guys. easy section. Some dignitary them are here. Politician. That place at your fall. Tell the honest truth, to get a little sleepy, you know. 3 times hot, you know. I don't know if you can identify guys, it's like SAR or dust or blow. Same way. You look at it. Put on my 4-way flasher. The man, the truck, the rubbish truck, the driver, of course, I said, if they don't know, no yeah in there, if you don't say wait, him and wait. The man big up to everybody who clean. All of them rubbish man, give respect to them. I mean, I tell you, it's not an easy road. Not an easy road. I know rubbish trucks stinky fart, but what to do? What do they work with all our mess so we throw in a rubbish pan them and them clean them up. guys. Big up to everybody. Don't catch me at tip it off. Don't catch me at tip off the jelly because I almost reach. Go reverse I know. Alright, so watch out. With that. Big load there guys, you see that? Jelly, 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 you see? Lots of jelly. Alright, I'll just go and stay tuned and watch what's going on. So you know, so I have some little something for deal with that now. Yeah. Which part is? Just come off a done Robin. Where I go pan you now? Where don't have some name? Casha Park. Yeah man, I think I don't pan Casha Park. I don't know. Don't tell me because I'm a country man. So I go down and eat there so now. Red Hills Road and then Casha Park. Yeah, let me get that. Sign them just pass. Sorry, I do some mash up the place guys. It's hotty, can't no more. Choose some shortcut, me I go guys. Choose some shortcut. Who know the road there? Kingstonian, no come forward. What's your name? So I go from Ugly Park Road, that me know. Come through. In a town, guys, please remember like and share and subscribe to the channel. Text me, comment and tell me on the area if you pass through the town, if you see no house. You just tell me. Take our left right up here, so stop by a stop sign. That left there. Wanna see me here, so wanna know what time it is. Portland, we're going. Yeah, man. It was a long day out here. Yeah, man. That's straight to Portland where I go. Yes, I. You see that pink something there? You know, it says a lady carry that. Can't catch that green light there. Yeah, man, guys, thanks for watching the video. Thanks for your support my channel. I really do appreciate it. Trust me on that. Enough love and blessing every single time. Then I'm not a bay, you know, a lot of breeze a blow, boy. You see the dust? The Sahara dust, or what them want call it, a town. It worse a town than over here. Trust me. Place hot and I can feel the dust on my skin. I can't wait to reach home and bathe. So that is it. What a breeze a blow on this side of the island. Not sure about the south side. South side I would consider like St. Elizabeth side and them side there. Pinch off. over in a river. I don't know this stone here. Not a bit. Traffic build up, traffic build up. Yeah, man. Come through the road, man. Big up to each and every single one of you. I know you guys enjoyed the entire video. The video is about 1 hour and 22 minutes. That's a long watch. I know you guys enjoyed the video. Big up to you again. Thanks for liking the video. Thanks for hype up the video. Thanks for subscribe. And thanks for continue supporting life with Kemar. I really do appreciate you guys. I can't thank you guys enough. Blessings again, and stay tuned for more epic adventure. I promise you guys gonna see some more different kind of adventure, such as cooking, spearfishing, camping, and you know it. You know the lifestyle. But for now, I'm so busy doing trucking, but I will spare some time to give you guys a different taste on the channel. So blessings again, enough love.